You don't do it like the king do.
Yeah.
Everybody a king. Everybody a God, huh? Alright, tell them they don't do it like the king do. King do, homie, ain't nobody king you. King you, simmer down, boy, and get your hands off the crown, boy. Now, boy, believe me, they don't do it like the king do. King do, homie, ain't nobody king you. King you, simmer down, boy, and get your hands off the crown, boy. Now, boy, real deal. Every other day, another sucker on a record pushing dirt up on the Lord name. More money, more cars, get some more chains. It's a sure thing, only way that this'll go. Rich or pro, shove them in the box like a board game. Fool's lottery, if you think all that property gon' fit up in that box, you play way too much Monopoly. We are just the clay, he the potter, we the pottery. If he remove his hands, we in bad shape, follow me. God over money, boy, that's just my philosophy. As long as I'm the realest, I'm the richest automatically. Game full of lies, so they hating on my honesty, but I'ma tell the truth till they body. They don't do it like the king do. King do, homie, ain't nobody king you. King you, simmer down, boy, and get your hands off the crown, boy. Now, boy, believe me, they don't do it like the king do. King do, homie, ain't nobody king you. King you, simmer down, boy, and get your hands off the crown, boy. Now, boy, real killer, killer, Mr. Killer. You don't really want it like you say, boy. Everybody wanna bang when it's day, boy. Everybody wanna issue to that magazine spray in they centerfold. They don't want play, boy. Ha. Bullets hot, dog, pipe down. You talking like you tryna die right now. Truth is, if you get shot, you gon' cry loud. And every drop a gangster in your body gon' dry out. Real talk. Everybody wanna pop Rugers. We love to brag about it like it's not foolish. They hate us cause we tryna put a stop to it. And we love to glorify murder till a cop do it. Never been a shooter, that was never me. Never disrespected anybody who respected me. Always kept it cooler when I knew that we was hecka deep. 30 on 3's not gangster, that's hella weak. I know you got a strap, boy, I'm with it too. But I don't let it change how I get at you. Y'all like 5-0, started for protection. The problem is y'all become bishop when you get the juice. King do, homie, ain't nobody king you. King you, simmer down, boy, and get your hands off the crown, boy. Now, boy, believe me, they don't do it like the king do. King do, homie, ain't nobody king you. King you, simmer down, boy, and get your hands off the crown, boy. Now, boy, real talk.
So you trapping in your video and killing in them songs. If a king keep his word, then them lyrics did you wrong. Cause you sleeping in the burbs and the visuals is phony. I know everything you rapping about, I did it with my homies. Getting money out the soil, huh? Something like oil, right? That don't make you royal, bruh. You ain't even loyal cause you from the hood, but you don't tell them nothing good. You just sell them poison and the profits move you from the hood. Understood it take a king to make a king. Something that a king do. What it do that king do? What's his name? King who? You send your kid to private school until mine's bang. You went to college but you only rap about the gang. Yahweh's the king, and your way it seems to have me off way in hell. In the hallway it screams. Please believe since it's only one king, that can only mean one thing.
Tell them they don't do it like the king do. King do, homie, ain't nobody king you. King you, simmer down, boy, and get your hands off the crown, boy. Now, boy, believe me, they don't do it like the king do. King do, homie, ain't nobody king you. King you, simmer down, boy, and get your hands off the crown, boy. Now, boy, real talk.
Can I go back?
All to the scar, yeah, you know my name. I pray I go far, but it's not for the fame. It's only for him, yeah. It's only for JC, ooh, yeah. What I'm saying, ooh, yeah. is the truth. Ooh yeah, I'm a Christian artist, don't get that confused. No way, how could you? I'm preaching truth, I'm preaching Christ to the masses. I pray that it impacts them, yeah. Like how can I go back? No way, yeah. How can I backslide? No way, yeah, yeah. I can't go back, no way, yeah.
Woman, I've been praising Christ every single day of my life. He is the one for you, and you know that's right. Woman, I've been praising Christ every single day of my life. He is the one for you, yeah, you know that's right. Can I go back? No way. 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 Can I go back? No. He's my savior. Change your behavior. He was born in a manger. He's no danger. Just come to the forward. We're not screaming out all out. Praise Christ from day one. Yeah, he is the son. It's the year of Jubilee, so you can be free. Oh, he just really wants you. Oh, he just really wants you. Woman, I've been praising Christ every single day of my life. He is the one for you, and you know that's right. Woman, I've been praising Christ every single day of my life. He is the one for you, and you know that's right. Can I go back? No way. 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 No way. No way. No way. Can I go back? No way. No way. They're tryna take Christ from me, from me. They're calling me constantly, saying he's tempting me, yeah. They're tryna take Christ from me. They're tryna take Christ from me, yeah. From me. They're tryna take Christ from me, yeah. From me. They're tryna take Christ from me, yeah.
They're tryna take Christ from me. They're phoning me constantly. I tell them, get it from me, cause we don't fight flesh, we don't fight you. We're fighting something much deeper than that, much deeper than that. Are you hearing me, man? Are you hearing me, man? Are you listening, man? Cause we don't fight flesh, we're fighting the spirit of the world. Tell him, give me a 12. I don't wanna listen to you, cause you just follow the world. And if you listen to me, then he can save you from hell. And he's the only one who can save you as well. So why don't you just listen to me? He's one from you. So why don't you just listen to me? He's one from you.
Saying he's tempting me, yeah. They're tryna take Christ from me. They're tryna take Christ from me, yeah. From me. They're tryna take Christ from me, yeah. From me. They're tryna take Christ from me, yeah. From me, yeah. From me, yeah. From me, yeah. Christ, he comes to give us life. He's risen and he sits upon the throne, and that is why I give him praises and my life. It's all about Christ. It's all about Christ. He is my savior and my life. I cannot go left or right. I go up. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Save my life. Jesus Christ. Go high up. Yeah, that's right. He's the way, the truth, and the life. He's my savior. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Saying he's tempting They're tryna take crabs from me, yeah. From me. They're tryna take crabs
From me, yeah.
Consistency in my craft, and I see fruit, but it's all about patience. And every day that I wake and exhale, all the shoes that I'm thinking, Lord, I'm giving you praise. El Shaddai, ancient of days, my refuge, I hide in your place. But Lord, you give me boldness, now I'm so brave, so brave. Stepping out comfy, share Christ, go on that country. Give hope, and I pray they see with the light of the and the dark sea. Yo, and that's facts true. What's a 2-pack? 2. Jesus Christ, Yahweh Jehovah, giving praise, glory, and honor. I was stuck in my ways.